With the help of this WhatsApp chatbot, I do not have to lift any finger to reply to the repetitive queries. With the help of this chatbot, I am automatically replying to all the queries which I am receiving for my travel business. Now, over here, I am going to demonstrate in front of you how I am receiving the WhatsApp message, and I am going to open my WhatsApp and send a message. So as I'm running a travel business, as I've told you, I'm going to send this message. I have a budget of 20,000 rupees. What can I get? I have sent this message. Now, if I receive the reply based on the same query which I have sent, then this is going to show us the chatbot which I have created, or the AI assistant which I have created is working fine. We have received this reply perfect. With the budget of 20,000, you can look at Goa package like 3 days, 2 nights, hotel plus sightseeing included. I'm going to enter another question like solo travel suggestions. I have sent this message. Let's wait for the reply. So here they send me this message. Sure, for solo travel, some good options are Goa, Manali, Kerala. If you want, I can suggest the best one based on the budget and travel ideas. I'm going to ask a final question. I want to travel next month. What options do I have? I have sent this message. Let's wait for the reply. So here I have received this reply. Great choice. Next month you can choose from popular options like Goa, Manali, Kerala, Dubai or Bali for international travel. To suggest the best package, please share these details. You see, whatever question or the query I'm posting, it is replying me according to the same query. This is how my AI agent is going to work. And now if you want to learn how you can create this AI agent for your business, then let's start creating this from the scratch. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can create this WhatsApp AI agent which can automate our WhatsApp conversation. First, we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow. To visit Pabbly Chatflow, we have to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And after browsing the website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, we can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free. And this will give you 100 credits free on monthly basis. You can use these 100 credits and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features, that too forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page will appear in front of me, where I have to select this Pabbly Chatflow Access Now. And here I'm landed towards this app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where I can see the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. To add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, you simply have to click on this add WhatsApp number, click on this WhatsApp connect to connect your WhatsApp to your Pabbly Chatflow account, or you can use a manual token to connect your Pabbly Chatflow to your WhatsApp. If you want to get the step-by-step process, the detailed video is given in the description. You can check that out. Also on the left hand side, we have very most important features of Pabbly Chatflow. The detailed video is given in the description. You can check that out. Now we have to create this AI agent. On the left hand side, we have this option of AI assistant. I'm going to open this. Here I'm landed towards this AI assistant. You can see the total AI assistant, active AI assistant, and inactive AI assistant. To create a new AI assistant, you simply have to click on this add AI assistant, and then you have to name this. So let's say the name is travel AI agent, and then you simply have to click on this add AI assistant. Here I've landed towards this page from where I'm going to start creating this AI agent. On the top, you can see all these options. The first one is this AI instructions. First, I have to select the instruction type. Here in this drop down, I can see all the instruction type. I'm going to select it as AI agent. The instructions are automatically added. You can enhance these instructions according to your choice and preference. Then we have this AI configuration, under which we have this temperature. Set how the creative AI answers are. 0 means more focused, 1 means more creative. If I go from 0 to 1, the creativity of how this AI is answering will enhance. I'm going to keep it as 0.7. Then we have this AI to use as OpenAI. The model will be GPT-5 mini. You can select this according to your choice and preference again, and then you have to enter the API key. Here I am on the paid account of OpenAI, so I have already created this API key. I'm simply going to click on this connect, and you will see API key saved successfully. Now how we are going to generate this API key? For that, in the help desk, this hyperlink is provided to me. If I open this, I will be landed towards the API keys page of OpenAI. To create a new token, you simply have to click on this create new secret key. First, you have to provide the key name. So let's say the key is test. The project will be default project, the permissions will be all, and then you simply have to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to you, which you need to copy and paste that over here. Then we have this AI assistant setting. So if you want to provide the header message and the footer message, you have to enter the message and it will start displaying. Then we have the stop keyword. When the user do not want to get the replies from the AI agent, or when they want to be accelerated to the human support, then they can send this particular keyword and my AI will stop replying to them. How you can add the stop keyword? You have to enter the word and press enter. In this manner you have added the stop keyword. Then we have this retry attempt. Now over here, when the API is not responding, the AI agent will not be able to answer the queries, and then the retry attempt is given to this AI agent and the valid range is 1 to 10. You can select the retry attempt according to your choice and preference. Then we have this fallback message. So here I have written, I am here to assist with questions related to company information or support. If you have any other question about a service or need assistance with something specific, feel free to ask. Now here you can enter the fallback message according to your choice and preference, such that whenever the messages are not sent and the queries are not resolved, at least the details which you are adding in this fallback message, that will be sent to the user. You can add the contact details or the company information. Moving on towards the next part, which is this knowledge source. I am going to select the knowledge source as upload file. I am going to click on this cloud and then I am going to upload the file which I have already created. Now I am going to open this in the Google document. Here you can see that this is the knowledge base for AI WhatsApp travel assistant voice ventures, and I have created this AI agent in a very detailed format. I have added the company details, business overview, target audience, services offered, pricing structure, chatbot objective, chatbot capabilities, common user queries and response with the rest of the details. Now here you have to enter the details, providing all the details of your product and the service, and based on whatever you are providing, your AI agent will be able to answer to the user. So you have to create a very detailed knowledge base, and then you have to download this in .txt or .pdf format, and then you have to upload it over here. If your PDF has images, the limit is up to 10 pages only. Moving on towards the next part, which is this assistant interface. So if you want to provide the heading name, you can do that. If you want to provide the subheading, you can do that, and you can see that changing over here. Then we have the initial messages. You can add 2 initial messages, and using those messages, your AI agent is going to reply to the user. Then we have this display the powered by Pabbly. So I have kept it enabled. If you disable this, it will be removed from here. I'm going to keep it enabled. Then we have this footer text where I have added the privacy policy, and in the footer link I have added the link to privacy policy. Then we have this user first message where I have added I need help. Now you can add this according to your choice and preference, and it is not necessary that whenever someone is sending I need help, only then the messages will be sent. It is going to reply or send the message based on any message sent by the user. Moving on towards the final part, which is the styling. I have selected the theme mode as light. You can select it as dark also, and you can see it changing over here. We have this assistant shape as circle, square, rounded, square. I'm going to keep it as circle. Then you can also select the colors, background color, text color according to your choice and preference. Then we have this header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and the background picture. You can upload this according to your preference, just in the manner we have uploaded the knowledge base. After doing all this, you simply have to toggle on this button, and then you have to save this AI assistant, and then AI assistant saved successfully. You can also embed this AI assistant using this code to your website, and whenever someone click on that, they will be redirected towards that conversation. Moving on towards the next part, how are you going to enable this AI assistant to a particular chat, to a particular group, or to all the contacts? If I open my inbox on the left hand side, I can see this. I'm going to open this in a new tab. Here I'll land it towards this chat. I simply have to toggle on this button. I have to select the AI assistant and save this. In this manner, I have enabled this AI assistant on this particular chat. But doing this manually and to particular chat is very time consuming. So that's why what we can do, we can assign the AI assistant to a particular group and to all the contacts. For that, on the left hand side where we have all these options, so I'm going to open the settings and open inbox settings in a new tab. Here I'm landed towards the inbox settings. If I scroll down, I have this option of AI auto reply settings. If I toggle on this enable AI auto replies button, I can add the rules. I can select the list. You can select the list, whatever list you have created, and then you can assign the AI assistant to that particular list. You can add more rules, select another list if you have created, or you can select all the contacts and select another AI assistant to all the contacts. Simply save the rules, and in this manner, a particular AI assistant which you have selected for a list, contact, contact, or all the contacts will be assigned accordingly. So this is how we have created this AI agent. Here we have learned how we can create this AI agent, how we can guide this AI agent to reply in a particular manner, and how we can assign the AI assistant to a particular chat, to a particular group, or to all the contacts. This is how we have created this AI agent, and now if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbots. And before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to know the pricing plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com. And if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching.